In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install ElevenLabs app in PC. We're going to turn the ElevenLabs website into an app-like experience on your computer, so it opens in its own window, feels native, and is easy to access from your desktop or Start menu. Start by opening your web browser on your PC. Any modern browser works, but Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge will give you the smoothest experience for this. In the address bar, go to google.com. This gives us a clean starting point to find the official site quickly and safely. In the Google search box, type ElevenLabs. When the results load, look for the official ElevenLabs website and click it. This takes you to the home page, where the service runs directly in your browser. We're not downloading a traditional installer here. Instead, we'll install the site as a progressive web app, which behaves like a native app on Windows. With the ElevenLabs site open, move your mouse to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the kebab menu. This is where browser tools and site options live. In the menu that appears, locate the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. The wording can vary slightly depending on your browser version, but you're looking for the area that includes options for saving and installing pages. Next, click Install Page as App. This option tells your browser to create a dedicated app window for ElevenLabs. Behind the scenes, it sets up an app shortcut, removes the regular browser interface from the window, and gives you a cleaner, app-like experience when you use the site. A small confirmation box will pop up. Click Install. After a brief moment, a new window will open that looks like an application rather than a usual browser tab. You'll also get a shortcut added to your desktop and to the Start menu, and in many cases, the icon appears on your taskbar while it's running. A couple of tips to wrap up. If you don't see the install option, make sure your browser is up to date and the ElevenLabs page is fully loaded. Once installed, you can right-click the app's icon on your taskbar and choose Pin to keep it handy. To open it later, just use the desktop shortcut or search for it from the Start menu. And if you ever want to remove it, close the app, then manage it from your browser's app settings to uninstall. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready to use. Enjoy your new ElevenLabs app on PC.